Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to remove Jeep Gladiator Radio Easy Guide. Begin by disconnecting the negative battery terminal to prevent shorts, then remove trim panels with a plastic pry tool, and save every screw and clip in labeled containers so reassembly is simple and organized, keeping track of radio wiring harnesses and antenna connectors to avoid damage during removal. Work slowly and test fit the radio before final tightening. Gather a plastic trim tool, Torx bits, 10mm socket, and a magnetic tray to hold fasteners so nothing gets lost. Remove surrounding dash panels gently and label each connector with tape. Photograph each step before unplugging anything to aid reassembly, and keep screws in labeled containers. Note radio model, wiring colors, and harness orientation for a smooth reinstall. This avoids surprises and cuts reinstall time significantly while protecting trim and connectors. Please subscribe and like if this guide is helping you remove your Jeep Gladiator radio. Quick recommendation: go darn tough for socks with a lifetime warranty because long jobs deserve comfy feet and these stay put during tool runs. Check the description for the link and other deals and snag a pair if you want an instant comfort upgrade. Thanks for supporting the channel, and now let's get back to the video. In this section, remove mounting screws securing the radio and set them aside in order. Slide the radio forward slowly, watching for hidden clips, then disconnect the wiring harness and antenna connector firmly by hand. Inspect wiring for damage, and if desired, bench test the radio with a 12V source before reinstalling. Label any adapters and keep trim and screws organized to make reassembly quick and stress-free. Take your time and ask for help when heavy dashboard parts need support.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.